Okay, so this is what we got so far. We got our brackets, and I kinked it in the middle there. And another bracket. And then I pie cut all of this. I'm gonna do 4 here. But when that's in, I want it to sit flush with the fender here. And same on this side here. It'll come over and just sit flush with that fender right there. So that's what we've got so far. And then I think in the time lapse, you saw me take this piece here. We're gonna come from there down to here. And then we're gonna run another piece just like this one across the bottom. And that'll be our frame. And then we're gonna use some thick plate and we're gonna wrap that plate around it. I just want this to be a flat bumper. And then I'm going to build toe points off the inside of those. And we'll use a singular piece of thick tubing and go in there and come out through the bumper. And that'll be my attachment points for my D-rings. And then we're also going to make an attachment that drops down with a tire on it. So that way I can use this to push vehicles in and out. The reason why I can't like this is because it's too high. When I pull this up to my G6 or any other lower car, the bumper ends up right about in this area here, the top of the bumper, to where that piece there can't be my lowest spot because it just slides over the top of the bumper and I end up hitting the trunk. I don't want to do that. So we're gonna do a flat plate style push bumper with a tire that goes on it. And then I am going to later date put a winch underneath here. And we're gonna put it between we're gonna cut this section out of it and put it in there. Because once that bumper is in there, all that strength will be back. And I'm pretty sure that this 1x2 1/8 inch wall plus a piece of quarter or even 3/8 plate will be thick enough to do everything I need it to do. But that's where we're at for right now. I'll update you again. I'm going to continue with the time lapses. Don't forget to like and subscribe.